Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to use Lobbed through passes. In the beginning, let's go to Training Center and next enter Passing. Select Lobbed through passes. And to perform Lobbed through pass, you have to press and hold L1 and triangle. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.